What's up, YouTube? I was gonna do a video washing the truck and the camper top, but my wand on this Ryobi thing, Ryobi pressure washer, the wand blew a seal and it went pressurized. So I went out and got this booger. So I've cracked the seal. I haven't opened it yet. This is a Simpson with a Honda engine on it. The only thing I don't like about it, it don't come with a soap dispenser. I mean, I can get one. There's the attachment down here to get one, but there is no soap dispenser. I'll have to get one on another date. Here's the handle. Put all the ends right there. Here's the motor oil. It comes with the oil, as you can see, but it doesn't come in the engine anymore. They used to ship them with the oil in it, but not anymore. Alright, there's the oil. And I assume the wand is right here. Here's the wand. Here's the other end of the wand. There it goes. This is a 3300 PSI washer. Caution, no oil, and how to do all this stuff. Yeah, let me die. So this recommends to put a ethanol treatment in with this, with the gas, unless you get the unethanol gas. I'll worry about that later. And this is probably going to be a 2 or 3 part video until I can get me some software to edit. This GoPro only lasts up to 12 minutes, and it starts over another segment. So bear with me, guys. This is an unboxing. This will probably be part 1. So let's get this shit together. This will be a part 1 of unboxing and assembly. Part 2 will be washing the truck to see how everything goes, and so on and so forth. Remember, lift with your knees, not your back. And it's not heavy, as you can see. It's probably about 30-40 pounds at best. Here's your cord, your hose. Set it right there. Here's the instructions. But I'm a man. I don't need instructions because I'm a man. Definitely don't need it in Spanish. Some assembly is required. You just gotta put the handle on the back. That's pretty much all the assembly you're gonna do. And it comes with 4 ends, 4 nozzles. You got an open one, a thin one, a fan, and a high pressure stream. And here is the hose for the soap dispenser. Just ain't got one. That's something I'll have to buy somewhere else. Alright, let's open this bag up. This is the manual. This is showing you how to put on the nozzle holder. I might need that because I might need to read to see how to do that one. It recommends. Oh no, this is what happens. A lot of moisture gets in and it screws up the inside of the tank. It's just telling you this is a $10 rebate on the ethanol shield. No, might keep that. I have no idea what the fuck ethanol shield is. I never heard of it. But I can get the Stay Built from Auto Parts store. So ain't no sense in doing all that. Oh, it's metal. That ain't plastic. The last big pressure washer I owned years ago come with one of these, but it was plastic. And this is metal. I like that. Good quality. Here's the ends. Put them on the car. And here's the engine manual. Tells you about the engine you got. Tells you how to maintain it. All that. Put it down in there. Alright, let's put the end on there. I'm going to try to do all this in 12 minutes. That way I can get the first video in of the unboxing and assembly. So I'm trying to go a little bit fast. Look at that. Son of a gun. I'm gonna take it back off. There we go. There's your water hose connection right there, and this is your hose connection. Goes right there. It's all trash. Well, that doesn't want to break. I'm not going to take us all the way off until I get some scissors. I'm just going to show the assembly part. Take that, push it up, push it in. Until it's tight. Alright, get your wand, pull the cap off, toss it in the trash. Tighten it up. Alright, set that right there. Get the handle. The handle goes like it right there. You don't go like this, because it won't ever go. You can put your handle like it right there. Take your cap, screw cap, tighten the little bugger down, and she is assembled. Just like it right there. Not too close to the truck. Well, there's no way, because if you put it on the other way, it won't work. Maybe I did it wrong. Hang on. Nah. Shut it on backwards. So I told you I needed that damn manual up there. Should have read it. There we go. Now she's assembled. There we go. Just like it right there. It's fully assembled. Part 2 will be washing the truck. You guys please